Hi folks, welcome back to our video series, and in this particular video we're going to be taking a look at the side menu. Now this is a component that is only available in the Pro package, and it's only available in 2 pages by default. Of course you can create multiple copies of those pages, but the 2-column left side menu and 2-column right side menu. So if we take a look in our pages folder, this page here and this page here, the 2-column right side menu, those are the only 2 by default that include that menu. But a lot of people request it. So how the menu works is basically it's like everything else. It's a bullet list that we've styled and added some JavaScript. This one is a little bit more unique because it has a submenu that drops open like so and like so. So it drops straight down and retracts the menu directly above it if you're going from menu to menu, just like so. Okay, so with that said, in order to update this menu, we would just go into Dreamweaver. We would expand the library folder and the shared folder, and this time we'd open up the menu side. Now, if you can just stick with what we have here, you can modify exactly what's in here. The top level item cannot link to a page, so if it is a top level menu with a submenu, this menu button here, like any other menu item that has a drop down, we have to consider our mobile and touch users, and those people, when they touch the menu item to activate the sub menu, if that main level item or this menu with sub, if that actually linked to a web page, they would go zinging off to the web page instead of allowing the menu to be, or the sub menu to be activated and open. So with that said, if you want to have an item that links directly to a page, you can just simply scrub over it, and you can use the hyperlink properties tool, which will show up here in a second. There we go. Sorry, I had to put it into design view. I had it in live view. So now you can actually use the point to file tool and change that to a regular menu item. With that in mind, you would have to remove the submenu list. Just select the UL list and delete it. So that is how to convert a main level button to an actual button instead of a main level button with a sub menu. Let's take a look at this in code view, just so you can see how we sort of laid things out, because for most folks it might be actually easier to work in code view, although you're not an HTML person. To add or remove buttons, it's actually easier to do this in code because we've basically commented all the buttons. We have button 1, 2, 3. If you want to add more buttons, just simply copy an existing button and its comment tags, paste it above or below wherever you want it to go, paste it in place, rename the comments if you choose to, and then you can go back to design view and modify the top level and the sub level buttons. And just like any other list item that is in a menu, once you have your main level and your sub menu buttons all set up and named, you just simply obviously scrub over them and new name, type it in. You would select that text, and then you would use the point to file tool to link to your actual web page. Now this particular menu item is unique because it does not actually have any default links. They're all just generic using the fake. So you'll have to rename every item in here and create your own menu items. But I hope that helps out.